Dear friends, we already taken the first part of syllogisms, conversion type. Next is combination. Next is combination. Combination. Before that, we have to find that which are the combinable statements. A list I can prepare. You can remember initially itself that list. Then after we can do it separately for getting the exact idea. Okay. First we can only 6 combination results are there. We can combine 6 different types. Which are the combinable? A type can combine with A. Result will be definitely A. And A type can combine with E. Result E. And E type also can combine with A and E type combine with I. These two, the answer will be or reversal. Or reversal. And finally, I type also can combine with A and I type also can combine with E. So it will be I and O. These are the 6 results, combination results. We already told that A type, E type, I type, O type. All cats are dogs, A type. No cats are dogs, E type. Some cats are dogs, I type. Some cats are not dogs, O type. From this we can identify this one. A type and A type can combine A. One thing you can remember, A type can combine only with the universal. That means that these two that we can consider this. A type can combine only with the universal means universal statements are A and E. A plus A plus E. A type can combine only with the universal A plus A and A plus E. Result will be, since both these statements are positive, therefore answer will be positive. Since first one is positive and second one is negative statement, therefore definitely answer will be negative. Therefore A plus A and A plus E. Very simply we can remember the first two. A plus A because two statements are positive, therefore answer will be positive. A plus E, a positive statement together with a negative statement, answer definitely will be negative. Answer is E. A positive statement A combined with together with only universal. A plus E are the universals. A plus E. So it will be A and E. When we are getting immediately and very quickly we can find the conclusion. That is why we are remembering this combination results. Then E type is a negative one. E type we can combine with only with the positive statements. That we can remember. E type statement can combine only with the positive. E type is negative. E type statement can combine only with the positive statement. E plus A and E plus I. That is E plus A and E plus I. Both the results are same. Both the results are same or reversal. Then I can show you what exactly or reversal. Therefore, E type and A type, E type can join only with the positive statements, that is E plus A and E plus I. Result will be or reversal. Then again, I type also can combine only with the universal. A type and I type together we can combine, and A type and I type a common idea that we can develop. A type and I type. A type can combine only with the universal. I type can combine only with the universal. A type can combine only with universal. I type can combine only with universal. Which are the universal statements? A and E. Therefore, I plus A, I plus E. Result will be I and O. Two positive statements I and A. When combined, they are getting only positive conclusion. That is I. One positive and one negative. Answer will be negative. Therefore, O. Another way we can remember a rhythm. This is A, E, I, O. This way that we can combine these two. A, E, I, O. First A, E, then I, O. Center E type. When E type statement starting E type, definitely answer will be O reversal. E type is a negative, therefore it can combine with a positive statement. Then we can conclude all these 6 once again. First, how we can remember? A type and I type can combine only with universal. That means A plus E, I plus A, I plus E. A type and I type can combine only with universal. A plus E, I plus A, I plus E. Result will be A, E, I, O. The central part, E type. When E type is a negative statement, E type can combine only with the positive statements. E type can combine only with the positive statements. Which are the positive statements? A and I. Therefore, E plus A and E plus I. What will be the result? O reversal. Result will be O reversal. These are the 6 results. Very quickly, you have to remember when you are doing the problem, when you are getting these statements, immediately you have to identify what should be the answer. That is why that we are remembering all these things and the combination result. Therefore, very strictly that you have to get it very easily, and then only that within minimum time you can conclude you can reach these conclusions.
We can combine two A-type statements. First one, A plus A. A plus A. Result will be always A. A plus A. And two positive statements are combining. Result will be positive. A plus A. An example. All cats are dogs. Another A-type. All dogs are tall. Two A-type statements. When combining two statements, A-type statements, for combining two statements, always some rules has to obey. Basic rules you have to obey. First, it should come in the combination list. Already that 6 combination list I already given. Among that 6 should be A plus A. It is among the list. Then, for combining, there should be a common term. For combining, there should be a common term. Here that common term, dog is the common term. Is there? Here that dog is the common term. Dog is the common term. Common term should be there. The position of the common term also more important. This is the first statement and this is the second statement. The predicate of the first statement should be the subject of the second statement. The predicate of the first statement should be the subject of the second statement. This dog is common. Therefore, we can cancel these two. And first and last we can take finding the final result. First and last. That is all. The format of the answer is A. All cats are tall. All cats are tall. Very simply we can arrive the answer. All cats are dogs. All dogs are tall. Common term we should cancel. The position of the common term should be the predicate of the first statement and the subject of the second statement should be same. Therefore, dog is common. Therefore, we cancel the dog. Therefore, all cats are tall. That will be the final result. Combination result. These two are the statements. For 1 and 2 are the statements. This is the conclusion. Then we can find the maximum probable conclusion we can arrive from these two statements. When we are getting these two statements, the maximum probable conclusion we can arrive. That way we have to identify. Two situations are there. One is after conversion we are getting conclusion, and 2 after combination we are getting conclusions. And 3 also one more. That 3 is the combination result again we can convert. When we are getting a combination result, that again we can convert. Since it is an A-type statement, we can convert into another one. A-type can convert to I. A can convert to I. Therefore, which are the maximum conclusions we can arrive? From this we can arrive 1, 2. All cats are dogs. Very simply we can arrive. Some cats are dogs. Some cats are dogs. Then some dogs are cats. Very simply, any A-type statement we can convert it to some cats are dogs, some dogs are cats. That too we can reach. That is converted form of A-type. All cats are dogs. Some cats are dogs, some dogs are cats. Very simply we can arrive. Then second also, all dogs are tall. From there also, some dogs are tall. some dogs are tall. Then some taller dogs. Therefore, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then this also 5 we can arrive because after combination we are getting the result. That is fifth one. All cats are tall. That is the fifth one. Since it is an A-type statement, again we can convert into I-type statement. That is all cats are tall. Some cats are tall. That is sixth one. Some cats are tall. And seventh one. Some taller cats. Then once again I can explain. Two A-type statements, A plus A, the result will be A. All cats are dogs and all dogs are tall. That is the statement. When for combining these two statements, definitely there should be a common term. That is dog. Dog is common. The predicate of the first statement, that should be the subject of the second statement. That is same. Dog we can cancel. All cats are tall. That is the combination result. After combining the first two statements, we are getting the combination result. All cats are tall. Then, which are the maximum probable conclusion we can reach while getting these two statements? First one, all cats are dogs. Some cats are dogs, some dogs are cats. 2 we are getting. Then, all dogs are tall. Which are the conclusion? Some dogs are tall, some tall are dogs. 2 more. That is third and fourth. Then after combination result, that we can include as fifth one. The combination result we can include as fifth one. Then I already told that after combination we are getting a result. The result again we can convert. Since it is an A type, we can convert to 2 more. All cats are tall. Some cats are tall, some taller cats. You have to remember, when you are getting an A type statement, always very simply you can convert to some cats are tall, some taller dogs. When A-type statement, very simply you can reverse in 2 ways. 2 A-type conclusions, 2 I-type conclusions you can arrive. Similarly, combination result also a positive one. Therefore, all the 7 results are positive results. Therefore, always the maximum conclusion you can arrive when 2 A-type statements combining, you are getting 7 conclusions. That is constant always, no doubt. Always the maximum conclusion you can reach is 7. Usually the questions and some conclusions you are getting. Then based on the conclusion, you can check like this. Then after, how that we will check? We have to check from the answer. While getting a statement and conclusions, we have to start from the answer. Here that some cats are dogs, we have to check. It's an I-type statement, some cats are dogs. Here that you have to check that some I-type statement, some cats are dogs. Where in the statement that cats and dogs are having? Where in the statement cats or dog is placed? Here that cat is placed here and dog is placed here. Then same statement we are having cats and dog. Therefore, the conclusion will be only after conversion. Only after conversion we are getting the same subject and predicate we are getting when a statement is converting. All cats are dogs, we are converting. Some cats are dogs, some dogs are cats. Therefore, 1 and 2 is correct. Here that we have to check all cats are tall. Well, we have to check all cats are tall. Then cats and tall. These are the subject and predicate. Cat and tall. Subject and predicate. We have to check where it is placed in the statement. Cat and tall. Cat is the first statement subject. Tall is second statement predicate. Then the common term is there, that is cancelled. Then all cats are tall, that will be the final. Then when combination we are getting the 2 terms from 2 statements. When combination you are getting the 2 terms from 2 statements. But the conversion you are getting the same subject and predicate you are getting in the conclusion also. That there is a difference between conversion and combination. In the conversion you are getting the same subject and predicate is getting. And we have to check whether the rule is satisfying. And the combination you are getting only one first statement subject and second statement predicate you are getting as combination result. The other 2 common term is there, that common term will cancel. That is exactly the difference between the combination and conversion. Okay.